So you're tired about all the fake promises about making money online. You've seen videos start drop shipping today, flip crypto, stocks for profit. Amazon FBA is the key to your freedom. And now you're stuck in that loop of watching motivational hype videos that never actually tell you what really works. Trust me, I was right there with you, my friend. I spent months jumping from side hustle to side hustle, Upwork, Shopify, stock trading, you name it, I've tried it. And the honest truth, most of these methods can work, but they come with huge learning curves, upfront costs, or they don't actually work for most people. So instead of chasing another overnight hack, let's get real and let's cut through all the BS. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 online businesses that actually work. No fluff, no guru hype, no inventory, and no huge upfront investment. Just a clear, proven path to start making real money online, even if you've failed before. So why do most people fail at making money online? Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're overwhelmed with so much bad advice. The online world is like a jungle everywhere you turn. Someone is promising you easy money if you just buy their course, follow their secret system, or jump on the latest trend. I used to think I just hadn't found the right method yet, so I kept trying and failing. I listed services on Upwork. No one hired me. I tried trading, lost all my money in weeks. Don't talk to my wife about that. I even tried building a Shopify store, spent money on ads, and barely made any sales. And every time something didn't work, I'd jump right onto the next shiny object. But here's the truth that I had to finally accept. It's not that these methods don't work. Almost every make money online method out there comes with trade-offs. Either a huge upfront cost, a steep learning curve, or long, frustrating wait before you see $1. The real question is, are they actually worth your time, your energy, and your money it takes to get the results? Because some of these paths might take months, even years before they produce any meaningful income. That's when I decided to stop guessing and actually start testing. I invested my own time, my own money, and my own effort to finally answer the question, which online business models give you real results without a disproportionate investment of time and money? And after analyzing every path out there, I landed on 3 businesses that actually have solid potential. Businesses that I've personally used myself that helped me and my family reach financial freedom in our early 30s. So let's break down the first one. The easiest business model to start out of all of the online business models that I've tested is affiliate marketing. And it's hands down the easiest way to get started. Why? Because you don't need to create a product, you don't need to have inventory, and you don't need to invest thousands and thousands of dollars up front. At its core, affiliate marketing is just recommending a product or a service that you're already using, you already trust, and when someone signs up or uses your link to purchase, you earn a commission back. You've probably done this without even realizing it. Have you ever told a friend about a course that you loved, or a tool that you use every day, or a product that made your life way easier that you bought on Amazon? That's affiliate marketing, just without getting paid. And here's the best part. There are affiliate programs for pretty much everything, from Amazon products to software tools to digital products, digital courses, even banks or budgeting apps. So how do you get started? Step 1, you're gonna pick a niche or a profitable problem that you care about. Something that you've experienced, you have a passion for, or maybe you've solved it for yourself. Step 2 is you're gonna research affiliate programs for tools or products or services that solve that problem. OfferLab, Amazon Affiliates, Impact, they're all great platforms to get started with. Step 3 is you're gonna start making helpful content around that topic and around that profitable pain point. Short form content is obviously the easiest to get started. You can literally pull out your phone and hit record. And trust me, you're gonna be super cringy at first. Everyone is. Embrace the cringe. Who cares what other people think? Just go for it. The goal is to build trust, solving problems, and adding value to other people's lives. You help someone solve a pain point, they use your link, boom, you've earned commission. Here's a real example. Back when Brittany and I were deep in our debt payoff journey, we found a net worth tracker called Empower that helped us see the big picture of all of our finances. It let us connect all of our accounts. We absolutely loved it. So we wrote a blog post about it, and we created a YouTube video reviewing it and sharing us using it and how we actually use it ourselves, and added our affiliate link. Those 2 pieces of content, that one blog post and that one YouTube review, has made us tens of thousands of dollars over the years with no inventory, no customer service, and no products to create. Now, does this happen overnight? Absolutely not. But with the right content and the right consistency and the right patience, affiliate marketing can absolutely become a real stream of income. And it can even scale into a full-time business. And when you combine it with the next method I'm about to show you, things can grow even faster. Number 2 is digital products. Scalable, passive, and simple. Affiliate marketing is a great way to get started, but if you want more control and build something that's 100% yours, digital products can be the next step. I want you to think ebooks, budgeting templates, online courses, journals, planners, building a community on school, even a paid newsletter or a mini workshop. The beauty of digital products is that you can create it once and you can sell it over and over and over again with no shipping, no inventory, and very little overhead. It's definitely one of the most scalable business models on the planet. Legit, we have made millions of dollars selling our own digital products. And if you're thinking, but I'm not an expert, I don't have the experience, I don't have the education, don't worry. You don't need to have a PhD or a massive following to sell digital products. All you need is a solution to a real problem. And chances are you've already solved something in your own life that other people are struggling with right now. Maybe you're a mom and you create a weekly meal planner to save time and money on groceries, or a debt tracker that finally helps you stay consistent, or maybe a simple guide to help brand new moms how to manage work-life balance. Or if you're a dad, maybe it's a workout guide to help dads stay in shape. These are real problems and people pay solutions to save them time, stress, and money. One of our very first digital products was a printable budget binder. We made it using Canva, we listed it on Etsy and our own blog, and started promoting it through Pinterest and email. It wasn't fancy, but it definitely helped solve a real problem that people struggle with, just getting on a budget. And over time, that one product turned into a multiple six-figure income stream for our business. The key is to take action, start small, create one simple product, launch it, get feedback, improve it, fail, improve it, do it again and again and again until you find a winning product. Then you build a system around it so it continues to sell even when you're sleeping. And if you want support creating and launching your first digital product, this is exactly what we do inside of our community, Freedom Builders. It's our step-by-step program that walks you through building an online business from scratch. You can learn more about it down below if you're ready to go from stuck and overwhelmed to clear and on fire, making your first $1,000 online. And here's when things get really fun. Because when you combine digital products and affiliate marketing, your content starts to work double time. You're building trust, offering value, and earning income from multiple ways from the same exact audience. But there's one more method that ties everything together that I like to call the freedom flywheel. And it's the most powerful one of all. Number 3 is content creation, the long-term engine of freedom. If affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start and digital products gives you the ownership and scale, then content creation is the engine that makes everything explode. This is where it all comes together. Because when you start creating content on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, or even a blog, you're doing two powerful things at once. You're building a community and you're building leverage. People aren't just buying through your links or grabbing your products. They're actually following you. They're actually supporting you. They're coming back to your story, your lessons, your energy. And that's how you build trust at scale. When Brittany and I started our brand, The Savvy Couple, we had no idea it would turn into a 7-figure business. We just wanted to share what was working for us and what we were learning when it came to budgeting tips or trying different side hustles, the things that actually helped us break free from the 9-to-5 grind. And over time, content became the most valuable asset. One blog post could rank in Google and earn affiliate income for years to come. One YouTube video could drive traffic to our course or digital products, and one short form video on social media could go viral and bring us hundreds of new subscribers overnight. That's the power of content. It multiplies your effort. And here's the thing. You don't need any fancy gear to get started. Seriously, if you have a phone in your pocket, you have everything you need to get started. Pull it out, hit record, and start posting. Share a budgeting tip. Talk about a lesson you learned. Show a tool that you use every day. There are people out there right now searching exactly for what you have to say. You don't need to be the next Mr. Beast. You don't need perfect lighting or editing. What you need is to show up, be real, be consistent. And that's how you go from consumer to creator, from stuck to growing. And the best part is when you create content, you're not just growing a business. You're growing a personal brand that can last a lifetime. You're building a business that gives you freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment on your own terms. So if you've ever felt stuck, like you're drowning in bad advice, jumping from side hustle to side hustle to side hustle, trust me, I've been there, wondering if this whole make money online thing even works, I want you to hear this. It does work, but only when you stop chasing the get-rich-quick schemes and you start building a real, legitimate online business. A business that doesn't rely on hype, a business that fits your life, that you can do in your spare time, a business that actually helps people. Affiliate marketing, digital products, content creation. Start with one of these, stack them together, stay consistent, and give it time. Because the truth is, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Pull out your phone, start sharing your story, start sharing your advice, start sharing your struggles. Help just one person today. And if you've tried and failed before, good. That means that you're learning. That's amazing. That means you're one step closer. The internet is full of noise, but the path to freedom is real and it starts with action. So if you've made it all the way to this part in the video, I want to reward you and give you our free Make Money Online Starter Guide. You can grab it with the link in the description. And if this video gave you any clarity or inspiration, please hit the like button, share it with a friend. It helps us out tremendously. I want this to reach as many people as possible. Please hit subscribe. We want to help you create your life of freedom. But real quick before you leave, what if you're still working a 9-to-5 and wondering how on earth will I ever have the freedom to leave this place? Well, in my next video, I'm going to share the real transparent story on how I quit my job with no backup plan and how that one decision absolutely changed everything. You can click here to watch it now. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. God bless.